Hello and thanks for tuning in to another video. Stick around and I will show you how to make chicken Marsala Rigatoni. Alright, you want to start off by using some thin sliced chicken breast and using some salt and pepper on each side. No need for any other seasonings because the sauce that you're going to make has plenty of flavor, so you don't need a lot of seasoning for this chicken. Okay, so then you're going to go ahead and add it to your flour. And in the meantime, have your olive oil in your skillet heating up on a medium heat or a medium high heat. So I did have 3 chicken breasts, but right here I'm just going to go ahead and use 2 just for the video. Okay, so you're going to cook them for about 3 minutes on each side, depending on how thin your chicken breasts are. And so after they're done, you want to remove them from the pan and place them to the side. So right here I'm just adding some parsley flakes on top as well. Okay, so in the same pan, you want to go ahead and add your fresh garlic. You can use as much or as little as you would like. And then you want to go ahead and add your mushrooms. You can use any type of mushroom you like. Right here, I believe it was shiitake mushrooms, but you can use any mushrooms of your choice. And go ahead and saute those until they're really soft. And then you're going to add your Marsala cooking wine. And then give that a good mix around until that reduces. And then I added some thin sliced onions here. And I also went ahead and added some fresh parsley flakes. And then I added some chicken stock and about 3 tablespoons of butter. And you want to give that a good mix until everything comes together. And then you want to add about a tablespoon of flour, and that is to thicken up your sauce. And then you want to let it reduce and cook down until it becomes thicker, and then you add your chicken. Alright, so now that the sauce is nice and thick, you want to go ahead and place that on top of your chicken and get it mixed around really well. And also I have my rigatoni noodles already ready and prepared. I added some olive oil to those. So then you're just going to plate that, and I added a little spinach on the side, fresh spinach, and then go ahead and add your chicken marsala to the rigatoni noodles. And there you have it. Nice, easy, quick meal. And then I went ahead and added some parsley flakes on the plate just to garnish it. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you to all my subscribers and everyone who supports this channel. I really appreciate you guys. I thank you for watching and have a great day.